One of the things that inspired us to start our own comic book business is really that lack of representation. We wanted to see characters that looked like us, that lived our lives, if you would, and really express that for that next generation of creators. Hey, I'm Lloyd.
I'm Natasha.
With Midnight Comics. We're Atlanta's first
and largest Black family-owned
indie comic book
and manga
publisher.
We believe sets us apart in the comic industry is one, our family dynamic. Of course, we are married and we write these books together.
There's definitely a nuanced perspective that we can cover from both sides.
We've recently been part of the Black Future Collective Accelerator Program.
One of the things that we learned, really when we started the program, that we learned was kind of holding us back is marketing.
So we needed to find someone to help us to learn how to properly not only market, but also set up our website, social media, YouTube, in order to cater to those audiences we wanted to sell to. And so we found Shereen, and she was able to provide her expertise on how we could better construct our YouTube channel, how to plan things out better and accordingly.
We had several Zoom calls with her, and she provided us with a strategy report that we can follow.
Through the month of March, we really honed in and implemented some of those strategies. And not only did it grow our engagement and our following, we've actually been getting more sales over the past couple weeks than we have been in a while.